For this demo, we will add the assignment Dropbox and the grading rubric to the electronic gradebook. We'll first go to the drop-down arrow on the Assessment tab and select Dropbox. Here, we'll click on New Folder, and we'll give the Dropbox a name. Then we'll scroll down until we find the originality check, and we'll check the box to enable the plagiarism detection check. Next, we will put in the number of points possible for the assignment, and we'll select the grade item. And then we'll go back to the bottom and click on the Show Advanced Originality Checking Options. And we will select the option to allow submitters to see originality reports. Then we'll click on Save and New so we can add another Dropbox. Here we'll put in the Week 2 Dropbox. After we do all this, we will go ahead and save and close. Now we're going to be ready to add a grading rubric. So we go to the Course Administration tab, and then we'll go down until we see the word Tools. After we click on Tools, we'll scroll down until we see Rubrics. This is where we can see if the Rubrics tool is active. So if it has an X, it's inactive. And when it has a green check mark, that means it's active. And now we'll scroll back up and we'll click on the drop down arrow on the Assessment tab, and we'll select Rubrics. We'll click on New Rubric, and under Properties we'll give it a name. Dropbox Grading Rubric 1. And we'll change the rubric type to Analytic. And then for this demo, we'll have 4 levels and 4 criteria for the rubric. So now we'll go up to the Levels and Criteria tab. And that's where we can name the levels and the criteria. We'll name all the levels first. We'll edit them, give them a name. Save. This part of it's the faster part. And once we have all the levels named, we'll save it and we'll start naming the criteria and give the descriptions for each level. I was able to prepare this in a Word document and copy and paste. We'll save that and go to the next criterion. And now criterion 3. And the final criterion. And we'll save. And we'll look at our rubric for a second. This is the rubric for the discussion assignment. And we'll change it to Published in the Properties tab. And save. And now we're going to go to the Grades tab. And we're going to apply the rubric to the grade. We'll find the grade item first. And we'll click on the hyperlink. Scroll down to the rubrics area and add it. We'll click in the box next to it and add selected. And now we can just save and close.